Welcome to Mountain Meditation. This is a very helpful meditation in times when we feel unsettled and flustered, when things move really fast in our lives. It allows for a centering, a grounding, and a sense of stability. I hope this is a helpful guide. To begin, come into a comfortable, upright and seated position. Take any measures you need to find this comfortable seat by either adjusting your body or your props. A folded blanket or a bolster under your sits bones is often very helpful as it allows the spine to be in a comfortable, upright position. So find this comfortable seat for you so that you can remain in this seat in this moment, right here, right now, for a while. Take a deep breath in through the nostrils. And out with an audible sound through your mouth. And arrive in this seated position. Notice how your body feels right now. Notice the seat of your body touching the chair or the floor or the bolster. Notice your spine being upright, your shoulders rolled back and your arms an extension of that roll all the way down to your hands that rest on your knees. Notice how the breath comes and goes. And then, in your mind's eye, visualize a mountain. Maybe it is a mountain that you have actually seen or visited. Or maybe you have an image particular to you. Try to visualize this mountain in the greatest detail possible, as if it is right in front of you, here and now. Allow yourself time to find this imagery. Be patient as the image slowly appears. Visualize the wide base of the mountain connected to the ground. And then imagine the slopes of the mountain. Either they are very steep or maybe your mountain slopes rise very gradually and comfortably. Notice. And the summit, how does your summit look like? Is it very pointy or flat? And maybe your summit consists of several smaller peaks. Just notice. Take in the view of your mountain, whether your mountain is beset by greenery or whether it is rocky, or if there is snow or maybe small lakes or brooks. Notice all these details. Imagine this picture thoroughly, just as it is right now in this moment. Sit here and become aware of the qualities of this mountain. And connect this image of the mountain to your body. These qualities of being strong and grounded and stable. Connect this image of the mountain of stability and connectedness to your body. As your body is seated here, connected to your chair or your bed or your floor. So that the image of your body and the image of the mountain kind of become one as you're going deeper beyond the form to the qualities of strength, stability, and connectedness. If that is too challenging, just notice how you are seated. Consider your legs and base as the solid base of the mountain that is connected to you through your bolster, your chair, your floor. Your arms are the slopes and your head as the summit, high up. Imagine yourself as being that majestic mountain with your summit in the clouds. Imagine and feel how solid and strong and how connected to the earth you are. For you, the mountain, you have stood here for thousands of years. Breathing in, I see myself as a mountain. Breathing out, I feel solid and strong. Breathing in, I see myself as a mountain. Breathing out, I feel solid and strong. The weather has always been in a state of flux around you. The views have changed from blue sky views with gentle breezes to showers and mighty banks of storm clouds, dispensing heavy downpours to sleet and snow. Yet you, the mountain, have stood firm and immovable, and the winds of change have whirled around you for centuries without any noticeable effect. Breathing in makes me calm. Breathing out helps me settle. Breathing in makes me calm. Breathing out helps me to settle. Just like changes in weather for the mountain, situations, events, activities, people emotions and thoughts are whirling around you, and yet you are calm and undisturbed in your everyday life. And you shall not feel disturbed even when your meditation ends. You shall remain tall and strong and connected. Breathing in, I feel secure. Breathing out, I feel grounded. Breathing in, I feel secure. Breathing out, I feel grounded. You shall remain upright, firmly grounded, and connected to the earth regardless of the weather whirling around you. Regardless of the events, the activities, the emotions and thoughts whirling around you. You shall be upright, firmly grounded and connected. So now just sit and continue to follow your breath as you sink deeply into your majestic mountain base without collapsing your spine, keeping the spine upright and the base connected. Become one with the feelings of solidity, strength, and connection. Breathing in, I feel still and connected. Breathing out, I reflect things as they are. Breathing in, I feel still and connected. Breathing out, I reflect things as they are. Letting yourself sink deeply into your majestic mountain base for a few more breaths. Continuing to see your body as a tool to allow an imagery as the mountain to come alive, so you can feel those qualities of connectedness, of strength, of solidity. Bringing your attention back to your breath, the breath moving in and out of your nostrils. And then ending your meditation when you feel it's time to do so.